Ladies and gentlemen, again we are back on the European Gold Forum of the Denver Gold Group here in Zurich, and with me now is a terrific company I personally like a lot. It's SantaCruz silver mining, and coming out of Canada but working in Mexico with 2 or 3 mines now operational.
3 mines.
Yes, 3 mines already. And with me here is Arturo Prestamo. We have interviewed him. He's the president and CEO of the company. We have interviewed him last year already in Munich at the Precious Metal Show. And I'm very happy to have you here, Arturo.
Thank you, Jochen.
Well, we know it's tough. The times are tough. Silver has fallen horribly to $22. Okay. And it's not easy to work and operate in, let's say, the price environment. Right. But as far as I followed your company, you got $45 million financing through Canaccord, I think it was,
That's
right?
It was Canaccord, Raymond James, and Cormark. It was a syndicate, a very successful deal. And so we're definitely fully funded, and definitely the markets are difficult right now. But we're focused on building the company, and we'll stick to our plan and get those mines in production. Rosario is now in commercial production since April the 1st.
Commercial production already?
Right.
Oh, congratulations.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah. It was under budget and on time. And so we want to repeat the story now in San Felipe, and have by the end of 2015 2 mines running, right? Rosario and San Felipe, which would allow us to be producing around 5 million ounces of silver equivalent on a yearly basis. Yeah.
You have any byproducts with the silver?
We have some lead and zinc as well, and some gold in the case of Rosario, right? But around 60% of our product is silver.
Okay. So everybody, of course, in those price environments with silver $22 is now discussing all-in costs to produce 1 ounce of silver. Right. So what are your total costs now in this situation? Are you still earning money?
Oh yeah, definitely. One of our main premises here at the company is to have high-grade deposits, low capex, and also advanced deposits. So the 3 properties check in those boxes. So regardless the price of silver today, the 3 properties will be profitable. And just to give you an idea, on Rosario's cash cost per ounce is around $6.
Cash cost, okay.
That's right. And San Felipe is around $7, and pretty much the same for Gavilanes. So we're in good shape in that regards. Nevertheless, we'll be very cautious with our cash and our cost as always, right?
So if you have cash costs of $6 or $7, even if you would say total cost is $10, you still make 100% profit out of that.
Yeah, no doubt. Yeah. Rosario is going to give us this year cash flow positive right away since the first quarter, and will allow us to start building a better, stronger treasury to go next and build the second mine, which is San Felipe.
So that means also that you mustn't go back to the markets. You are fully funded, fully financed, so you are in a perfect shape. Even if those, let's say, downturn in the prices lasts longer, you are not affected. You are still earning money.
That's correct. We're affected definitely by the share price and trading right now and these days with this volatility. But the company per se is in good shape, and the business is running smoothly, nicely, and definitely we'll be focused in delivering what we promised to the markets, and eventually when the markets come back, I think that they will recognize that the company is walking its way.
So then you are also maybe paying dividends from 2014-15 on.
We have a 3rd mine to build. So once we build that 3rd mine, maybe that's something that we will have on
our view on the radar. Yes, excellent.
But for the moment, we just want to focus and build the 3 mines.
Don't forget the shareholders.
No, we're very thankful for the trust that they had put in the company and the management team. So definitely that's part of our agenda. But once we develop the 3 mines and build them,
of course. You have to be very cautious with the money. That's for sure. So what are your plans? We are now 2013. Now it's April. What are the plans for the next 6 to 9 months? Let's say until Christmas 2013. What is now the most? Let's say the key developments on your 3 properties or on your 3 mines now?
Well, mine by mine, for example, Rosario, we're ramping up Rosario this year, and we want to end of the year with around 300 tons per day in production. We want to install the third ball mill in Rosario that will allow us to have a mill of 700 tons per day, and 18 months from now we should be on that range, and that's pretty much for Rosario. In Gavilanes, we'll keep drilling, we'll keep doing exploration. We have so far, the first drilling campaign was very successful, and we want to have a resource estimate by August down there in Gavilanes, and start building a mine plan and the right mill thinking about the right mill for Gavilanes. In San Felipe, we'll keep drilling during the year. We want to update the resource estimate. Today is around 50 million ounces of silver equivalent on resources, and we will update those resources with a new drilling campaign going on, and we want to finish the year with at least a pre-feasibility study in order to start building the mill during 2014.
Well, that sounds like a big work pensum you have in front of you.
Lots of work.
Great. Yeah, perfect. So, thank you very much for the update, Arturo. We wish you all the best.
Thank you, Jeff.
And as we have seen, you are fully financed, so the risk should be taken away.
Well,
maybe an earthquake is the only risk.
Execution is the only risk right now, but we have a very professional and experienced team at field, so we don't see a problem at all.
And you've done it before?
Yeah, we have done it before. Francisco has built 8 mines.
Yeah.
I had built 2 mines already, and so we have some experience.
So we want to sing on 2014 like Britney Spears. Oops, I did it again.
Hopefully.
Thank you very much, Arturo.
You're very welcome.
As said, all the best for you. Thank you.
Yeah,
ladies and gentlemen, that was Arturo Prestamo, the president and CEO of SantaCruz Silver Mine. And excellent company, I can only say. Hammered yesterday on the stock exchange down to $1.54. Unbelievable. They just generated via a syndicate around Kennecott $45 million. I think this really speaks for the management. It speaks for the quality what you are doing, because in those times to raise 45 million is really an effort. Company is financed. The risk is nearly taken away. 3 to 4 mines will be in the next 1.5 years on stream. 2 are already on stream, and as Arturo said, dividends are then an issue, and they want to do it for the shareholders. So watch out for the company. Now it's cheap, and maybe it looks like a second First Majestic. Watch it out. We watch it for you too. Thanks, and bye-bye from Zurich.